This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Caitlin Ferguson. Welcome to the beautiful resort-style living community of Bryan's Cove. Gorgeous townhome villa with open concept floor plan and sunroom addition. Features a first-level spacious primary ensuite with walk-in closet. Very spacious bedrooms on second level. This community is tucked away off of the Elizabeth River and in the highly sought-after Grassfield School District. Amenities include a boat dock, community-only beach, pool, gym, clubhouse, 2 dog parks, 2 playgrounds, kayak racks, lawn care, snow removal, and more. Easy access to I-64 and shopping. Schedule your showing right away. For more information, review the details below or contact Caitlin Ferguson at 757-679-3705.